Hi, welcome to DocSpace. Let's see how to get started in quick 3 easy steps. First, head over to Get Started if you're not already there. Let's head to our first step, add your first form. If you haven't already added a form, you can either click here or just head over to our Forms section in the side nav. Here you can see we have hundreds of pre-built, industry-compliant form templates for you to choose from. Once they've loaded, you can either search to find the one you're looking for, you can filter by one of our categories, you can even request custom if you don't find the one you're looking for. But let's take a look and add one to see how it works. Let's find the form we're looking for. Clicking on it allows us to see a full preview of this form. To add it, to start customizing or filling it out, just click Add to My Forms. Now that we've added the forms, we can head over to the My Forms section. You'll see your newly added form here in the list. Let's check out what this looks like when customizing a form, as we have a powerful form template customization tool. Here you can see your form is fully customizable with our drag and drop form builder. I can edit here to quickly move around items, or even add new elements over here on the side. I can preview this, what it'll end up looking like, and I can also preview it on what it'll look like on our mobile phones. Now let's head back to Forms to continue seeing how to get started. If you're looking for more information on this page, see our help links above. Now let's look at Fill Online. Here you can see that your form is now completely fillable. You can see the edits we've made down here. You can also even export your form to a PDF, send a guest link to a customer, or even email this form directly from your account email. To learn more about the submissions page and how to fill out your forms, check out our help links up here. Now let's head back to Get Started to see how to get your form on your mobile device. Now let's head over to the next step. Click on Fill out your forms on your mobile device. Here you can send the link to your email, or even a different email of your choosing, in order to download our iOS and Android app, or just search us on the respective app stores. Now let's switch over to our mobile device and see how to use your form with our mobile app. Once you've downloaded it and opened it up and logged in with your account, this is the screen you'll be presented with. As you can see, I've actually went in and added a couple extra forms just to see a little bit more in this list as an example. But here you'll see we do have our Clean Agent System Acceptance Test Report that we just previously added. This will show up in your list because this is a list of all of your forms that you added from Form Library. Now, let's take a quick look at how this kind of works with forms and submissions. If you want a deeper dive into this, please see our submissions and forms training videos that also have the mobile parts at the end of the video. Now let's take a look. Now we can see that we do have our form in here that we added previously. Alright, let's click Fill Out Form. Here you can see that we're filling out our new form just like we did on web. I can click here, add a site. I can fill out the rest of the form as needed, and continue. Now with our app, keep in mind that it is offline first, so any changes you make will need to be synced, and we'll show you how to do that in just a second. But with our powerful mobile form builder, you have things like an activity feed that allows you to add deficiencies, files, and comments, and those deficiencies can even be linked to certain fields in this form to track things. I can click, I can add a comment, I can say, I can even upload photos with this comment as well as deficiencies. You can see here it shows who's been added. I can filter, and I can see the comment or any activity. We can go back. Now where is the submissions we've created? Well, this is our forms area. Now we can swap over to In Progress and Completed. This is where we're going to see all of our submissions that we have in progress or we have completed. You can see that they're all saying they need a pending sync. Well, that means they haven't been synced yet with our data in the cloud. So let's do that to make sure that we save all of these changes. I'll click Start Sync. I'll review my changes, and I can even say Start Sync. It'll sync all of our changes. Once they've all synced, we can go back and see that they no longer need to be synced and they're all properly saved. I can go back, and if I ever need to actually search on these submissions, I can actually just click up here. I will see a full list of all the submissions I've created in the past, and I can search them, or I can even filter by form or status. This is a brief overview of how to use the mobile app. You'll even find your customers here and your sites, as well as any jobs if you have any. For more information on any of these pages, forms, customers, or jobs, please review the videos on each one of those, where we have the mobile part in the end showing exactly how to do this in our new Joyfill mobile app. Thanks for watching.